Earn money on Fiverr using on one easy trick. Make $100 per day online, which is transcription job on Fiverr, and it is worldwide trick. So what's up guys, my name is Na and you are watching Gain Money and Trick channel. So if you are new, please consider subscribing and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new videos, you will be notified from our videos. So and today video I will show you a brand new method that how you can make money or how you can make $100 per day online with a transcription job, even you cannot write or even you don't know the skills of transcription. If you don't know the skills of transcription, that how to transcribe, don't worry about that. If you cannot type or write something, don't worry about that. So in today's video I will show you the new hack that how you can make a video or interview or any audio or podcast that transcribe means to write or to change or convert into a written document. So in today's video I will show you that how. So before starting that how you can make $100 on Fiverr, and I show you the trick. So stay with me to the end of this video and I will show you at the end the trick that how you can make easily this money. So now I will show you that how you what is now I will show you that what is the meaning of transcription. So if you don't know transcription, I will just introduce in somehow. Interview transcription is or transcription is a word-to-word written documentation of a tapped or live interview. All types of interviews pertaining to legal cases, businesses, research, celebrity interviews, and many more can be transcribed, while taps needs to be played and displayed. To get the exact information, one is looking for transcribed copies allow easy lookup for the desired information. A written transcript is also important to identify the key topic discussed in interview. People with hearing impairment or deafness can also have access to the interview proceedings with accurately prepared interview transcription. When transcribing interviews, one needs to be aware and plan around conditions that ensures quality recording and transcribing. Most transcripts are written in a non-verbatim form, including the words that were said as part of the dialogue. Verbatim transcription is the most accurate form of transcription, which includes the dialogue along with stutters, false starts, and sounds. So that's why transcription is very important for any video, audio, or podcast that people are doing that. So how you can do that? Before starting or before showing you the trick, so let me show you on Fiverr that how people are making money on Fiverr with this trick or not with this trick. People on Fiverr are making very difficult this transcribing work. They are listening to their video, audio, or podcast, and then they are having or changing or writing on writing letters and other things. So after that, once they are written that, then they are sending to the clients and they are paying for those. So I will show you that how you can make money with these tricks very simply. So if you come to one of these Fiverr and you just type on the search bar transcription, so you will find thousands of gigs that they are offering these services to people and they're making bunch of money with this, and it's very easy. So if you come to this one girl, that how much she is earning from this, so if you click on this you will be redirected to her page. So if we look to this girl, she's making pretty cool money with this one gig. If you look to her reviews, she is having more than 6,200 reviews she has, and she has 24 orders in queue available. Means these orders are waiting for her, and people already order to her, and she is working on that. So she is charging $5 in basic and standard $10, and premium option she is charging $20. So suppose she make $5 for each. I'm not talking about orders, I'm just talking about reviews, that how many reviews she got and how many orders she has completed with reviews. So if we calculate this one, if we only calculate 6,000, for example, 6,200, and by just $5, so she she is getting $31,000. $31,000 she already earned. How much she earned? $31,000 she has earned already by this one gig. And there are many people that offering these services. For example, this guy is also having 1k plus, means if we look to her, 1k plus means more than 100. So she also got 1232 reviews she got, and 16 orders are in queue by for this transcribing jobs. So you can definitely just visit to Fiverr and sign up for that if you don't have the account, and create one gig and just make the gig like this, something like this one, and then you can earn online money with this. So how you can do that? People who are the best, or online YouTubers and podcast people or audio people or interview people, need and search online to have a person to transcribe their video or audio. So how you will do that? You can, this is the main website to just generate your income with this website. You can grab the link of the video and paste it here, and then click on page. Once you click on the page, so your audio or video will be transcribed totally, and then you can copy and then paste into the Word document and send to your client. So how you will do that? Suppose this is the video. I will play one video. Okay, how to make $1,000 a month as a teenager with graphic design without degree. This is a video
How
of
to
mine.
make
Okay, this is my one video. I'm just taking the link, copying the link, and coming to contentbear.com, not contentbear.co. So I am just pasting the link here and clicking on page. Once I click on the page, so this is the whole document or the whole transcription that they have given me. Even I did not write a single word or type a single word. Just in 5 seconds or 10 seconds, they have transcribed me the whole video. So if you have movie, complete video, complete podcast or audio file, you can grab from there uh, your client and you can send instantly. Okay, just copy this or copy to clipboard and then save in the Word file. So see, it is saved. So you can just copy these all and send to your client, and they will be happy and grab the review for that. But most people make it very difficult and very uncomfortable. They are taking the audio or video, then they have special software for that, they are playing in that, then after that when they play that, so then they are typing each word by word. But this trick and this hack is the excellent way to just copy and send to your client easily and make $100 a day with this transcription trick. So if you come to Fiverr, this is my also my revenue as a proof that I have earned online here. Okay, the total or net income is 226, and withdraw, I have already withdrawn this 226, and these are the ways and the money that I have gained from Fiverr. So Fiverr is a legitimate website that pay you the money every day and every hour and every second that you have the order from client. So please make a Fiverr website. I will leave you the link in the description for both website, Fiverr and also as well as on this website contentbear.co. I will leave the link in the description. You can definitely join and start make money online from today right now. So that is all the whole review for Content Bear and fiverr.com to start with this. Just find out the link in the description of this video and sign up for this. If you like the video, please hit the like button and comment me below anything regarding how to make money online, even full-time jobs or part-time jobs. If you are new to our community, consider subscribing and turn on the bell notification whenever we upload new video. We will be notifying you. And if you want more, please visit to our channel for more brilliant videos on making money online. Till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.